Sumayo, Panginoon, ay
Mga kapatid, ating tatalakayin ngayon kung ano nga ba ang meaning ng Bible. So, ating ngayon tatalakayin ang meaning ng Bible. So, sulat ko. Okay, sulat tayo ng Bible. Bible. Meaning Bible meaning tayo. Bible meaning. Okay. Letter B. Gas. Basic. Basic. Number 2, I. Instruction. Letter B. Before. Letter L. Living. Letter A. Earth. Okay, Bible is meaning basic instruction before leaving earth. Okay, dapat okay. Ayan, Bible meaning is basic